Okay, so magkano ba yung kailangan mong budget kung kakain ka sa loob ng Hong Kong Disneyland? Here is everything we ate, pati yung mga prices for your reference. FYI, pwede kayong gumamit ng mga Visa, debit, and credit cards para magbayad. Una, meron tayo nitong frozen treats or basically popsicle in the shape of Minnie Mouse. Doon naman sa World of Frozen, meron silang ice cream cone worth around 550 pesos. We also had some popcorn and caramel flavor. In fairness, masarap and it's not painfully sweet. And then, syempre, trademark yung turkey leg so we had to try it. Ang dami kong naririnig na mixed reviews about it. Yung iba ayaw na ayaw nila kasi daw malamig yung nabili nila. Pero kami, warm naman yung nabili namin. Is it life-changing? Hindi naman. Pero it's tasty and satisfying. I'm not complaining. For dessert, we're having Mickey waffles. Meron siyang konting parang whipped cream and fruits on the side. It's your usual waffle naman, bagong luto pag sinerve. And I think it's really just part of the experience to try it once you're there. Nag-dinner naman kami dito sa Starliner Diner. Ito yung parang food court nila and this is their menu. All props to them, ang cute nito mga burgers. This is their Iron Man Wagyu burger. The burger patty was juicy, maraming gulay and merong cheese. Ito naman yung Groot Wild Mushroom Cheeseburger. Medyo mas nagustuhan ko to kasi mahilig ako sa mushroom. Although yung mga burger buns nila medyo dry and yung fries is quite bland. In fact, makikita mo sa food court na ang daming taong iiwan na lang hindi naubos yung fries. And lastly, meron din tayong 2-piece chicken and chips. Kaya rin naman din, medyo hawig sa mini-stop ganun. Marami pang ibang resto sa Disneyland, yung iba mas magaganda yung review, yun nga lang mahaba yung pila and syempre mas mahal yung presyo kaysa sa mga nabili namin.